Here we go, another week, another update. It's week 45, so as always I'll start with how much weight I've lost this week. 0, again, which it's one of those things, I seem to be hitting that a lot lately, probably because I'm not totally sticking to my plan. And also I'm fairly close to where this journey's going to end for me. So, what am I going to do about it? Well, probably not a lot this week, because this week I'm going on holiday again. We're going to, I would say sunny Sofia, but it's not going to be sunny. It's the end of November and it's somewhere cold, so it's not going to be sunny, but it's going to be fun and it's going to be cheap. It was only 72 quid each for 3 nights. So I suppose the elephant in the room is my stalling weight loss. Well, I've stalled. It's not the end of the world. The important thing is that I've carried on tracking, because when I do finally get motivated again, I'll know what I've done wrong, I'll look back on it, and I won't beat myself up, but I can also see that I'm not going too far over. So, how did the holiday go? Well, we were only there for 3 nights, and we got there at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I knew it was going to go wrong. We started off having a meal in the airport, no thought there. It wasn't as bad as you thought, but there was definitely not a lot of thought to it. So we've gone around the city, we've had some great meals out, we took a day trip to a place called Plovdiv, and can't believe it, we got, well, I'll put a video up about it, a pizza, that although the video says 12 quid, it was actually under a tenner. Right, Plovdiv pizza, you get a whole pizza, beer, water, for under 12 quid, can't fault that. No, it's a good job they don't have that in the UK, because I'll be reporting on a gain every week. So you might notice I've got the background changing rather than just showing you my pictures to make you all jealous. But it was fun. Had a great time, bit of a reset, and hopefully a bit of a reset for the diet when I get back. I'm not anticipating a massive loss next week. I'm just hoping for not too massive a gain. So, what's the scores on the doors? Well, as you know, my deficit is based on my TDEE, which for me is about 2100 calories a day. So to optimise for weight loss, you need to be eating about 500 below that, giving you a weekly deficit of 3,500. My deficit is a plus of 4,250. To put that into context, I aim for about 16 to 1700 a day calories, so my surplus is what I normally eat in 2 days and a bit. But they say 3,500 equates to £2. I'm just over the 3,500, it's not the end of the world. By the same token, 3,500 on the other way can lead to £2 off. What I'm trying to get at is it's not going to totally kill my weight loss, but there probably won't be a loss this week. It means my average for the week was 2,707. And that sounds a lot, you know. My personal trainer, he currently consumes about 3,000 a day, but he's built like a brick toilet and is currently training for extra weight. So I'm not eating as much as a really fit guy. If I'm honest with myself, I'm probably not eating as much as I did when I wasn't on a diet of any sort. And I've totally abused it. You know, you've seen the pictures. I'm going to put a couple of videos up at the end. So it's not ridiculous. You know, I've been doing this since January of this year. So we're getting on for 11 months now. That it can't all be hard work. You know, I'm still just shy of 5 stone less than when I started this journey. I'm feeling healthier. So it's nothing to beat myself up about. And you've got to have a life as well. As you know, while I've been doing this, I've had some cracking holidays. I've been to Krakow, I've been to Japan, I've been to Sofia, I've had, I think, 3 trips on the boat. You know, a couple of weekends away. I'm not limiting my lifestyle. I'm doing this around having a life, and you've got to think of that. I was chatting to someone online this week, and he was saying that although I don't think it, my weight loss has actually been quite quick. And there's people out there that are hoping to lose stone in a month. Yeah, you can do it for a month, but that's it. You've got to think of this as either get to where you want to get to and then go back to normal, or in my case, because I know I'm a problem eater, I've adjusted my lifestyle for the rest of my life. It's all about you, and this is what I've said in my other videos, it's about having your own plan, not having my plan. I think for me, what's not keeping me on plan is when I first started doing this, it was about putting out more videos. And lately I've just been banging out the weekly one and that's it. So I'm going to embark on a programme of talking more about the journey. It's more of a journey of self-discovery for me. When I talk about it, I realise how well or how badly I'm doing. But I'm hoping it'll be informative for you. I don't want to show you how to do it. I want to get you in the mindset to work it out for yourself. So what else have I done this week other than being on holiday? Tuesday was my first session with the personal trainer. And my third time in the gym since I've gone back. Really good, really focusing my effort. As I say, I'm not looking to be a bodybuilder or a power lifter, but I'm looking to improve my overall strength. Because one thing I have noticed since losing weight is that my arm strength seems to have gone right down. So that's going to also impact my weight loss or gain because I'm training. I'm having to put more protein into my diet, but I'm a shape I'm relatively happy with. If I don't get any thinner, it's not the end of the world. So I might change the name of the channel to Ian Melton's Adventure in Fitness. I don't think so, I think I quite like it as it is. Because I know I'm always going to have to monitor my weight and my losses and gains. So on that note, I'm going to sign off and you'll see me next week and find out how much damage this holiday's done. Yeah, I'm actually quite nervous. I think it's going to be at least £3, based purely on the maths of a surplus of 3,500. But could be more. I don't think it's... I've had 2 weeks of a maintain around not being too careful, so I can't see it being less. But you never know, that's the whole thing. This isn't an exact science. So bye for now, and I'm happy with that.